And the question this morning is he going to get into one of those boats?
Yeah. Some are crying because they haven't made it across the pool.
That's true. That'll make you cry.
Or in the water yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we're using your expert drawings for our engineering. All right, so we'll show you that later. All right, Team Ice Cream, good morning. Good morning. All right, tell me about your boat, Team Ice Cream.
We have a little edge here, so it'll cut through the water. And then lots of tape. We tried to not cut all the way through our edges, so we have less seams, limit water entrance.
Very good, limit water entrance. That's very technical. All right. Obnoxious 80s colors is the way you guys described it. All right, tell us about your boat.
Well, we just tried to use some double reinforcement, add some corners there, try to give it some stability, and Hannah can be thankful.
All right, Hannah, good for you. The first, Team America. All right, Team America, tell me about your boat there.
All right, so we have a 40% submerged here, so it'll stay nice and stable in the water. And then we have a triangle angular part in the front, so stay very aerodynamic.
Your aerodynamics because you plan to go really fast.
Yep.
I like it. Team America. All right, coaches and jocks, this is our theme. Tell me about your boat, gentlemen.
So we got about 38% submerged.
Like the numbers? Okay.
And I think we'll make it across. We got our coaches on our side.
Way to go, coaches. All right, nice. And the other, Team America. All right. Tell me about your boat, Team America.
Alrighty, so we put all our faith in the hands of Lady Liberty. She will carry us across the water. We got a 33% submersion rate divided up between me and my friend.
Good numbers.
Hoping Lady Liberty will do the work.
All right, here we go. Get them started, Dave. Come on over, Mike. Now, Mike, you are from Tappins. You guys have been a big sponsor with us. Fine, go ahead. You guys are from Tappins. You've been a big sponsor here. And you like this because you're starting the fun of physics and math early with the students, right?
Exactly right. And part of what we do is engineer solutions for folks. So bringing that talent into industry is kind of important to us.
And this is a fun way to do it. I mean, you know, this is serious physics.
It truly is serious
some of the physics you guys might use on a contract any day of the week.
Absolutely the case. We have the good fortune to be able to cheat versus what these poor kids' constraints are. But yeah, they had to think all the way through this, and some of them have done a good job and some of them haven't.
Now, I noticed, Mike, over the years, I've never seen you in the water.
Yeah, you probably still won't, Kenny. I brought a customer service rep along this time to ride in your boat with you, so I don't have to.
I appreciate that. All right, Mike. Well, look, we have, oh my goodness, we have a couple of kids that might make it all the way. We're looking good, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think, Dave?
Well, we got ice cream cones finishing. We got the obnoxiously bright colors. Looking pretty good.
Yeah. I think we might go halfway this time.
Yeah, so not too bad.
The Lakewood Cardboard Boat Regatta, where physics turns to magic and dreams. When we come back, lots to show you guys. Kicking it with Kenny. Stay with us.